Alright, DJI just keeps pushing it. This is the Mavic 4 Pro. First impression, solid, compact. You can tell right away this thing is built for serious imaging. Here it is next to the original Mavic Pro, about the same footprint. But everything feels tighter, cleaner, more refined. The camera on this is wild. The clarity is next level. And low-light performance is where this really shines. Night vision, long-range transmission, and obstacle awareness all around. This isn't just a drone, it's an aerial sensor. Let's get it in the air.